Welcome back to Path to Passive Income. My name is Shah. Today is a very fucking exciting day. I don't know why. It could be because Brexit is happening, Bitcoin's crashing, or my future girlfriend isn't in mine anymore. I don't know what of these. What the fuck? I have no idea. Anyways, the good news is today we're going to find a product for you to sell on Amazon with a huge profit. So if you look here, this is where I usually look on Hot UK Deals. This is the largest website in the UK for deals. And they have usually pretty good deals, very hot deals. And you can see how hot a deal is by the degree level here. This is the deal I found the other day. Call of Duty Legacy Edition for PS4. So if you click on it, you get to this page where it's referring to the seller's page. And this is it. It's actually 2 games in one. But you can see here it's at $14.99, but it was been advertised at $9.99. So that means the seller has raised the price just recently, and I was lucky to get it at $9.99. So I'm fucking excited to sell it on Amazon because I'm going to flip it for at least twice the price. And I will show you right now on Amazon UK how much it's selling for. If you look here, it's selling for $19.96, so about $20. So we can sell it for at least $20. And you're going to see how well this product is doing on Amazon in the UK. So if you look at this, by the way, if you want to see this graph, you got to sign up on keepa.com. The link is in the video description below. So please make sure you sign up. It's completely free. And this is very important for you to recognize good products on Amazon, wherever. Alright? So if you look at this green line here, this is the sales rank. The sales rank is very important. If you can see here, it stops right now here at around 200. This is very good. So that means our 21 units are going to be selling very quick, within a few days. So they're selling probably thousands a month of this game. And alright, so we're going to go here to the profit calculator, the FBA calculator, to be honest. So just type in Google FBA calculator, and what we need here is to type in the ASIN number. We find the ASIN number of the product here on Amazon. Just scroll down, and this is the ASIN number, which is the product number identified by Amazon. So just copy and fucking paste it right here, and this is what we get. Wait a second. Alright, there you go. It's looking for it. There you go, it found it. And alright, so this is how we do it. So the item price, this is how much we want to sell it for. We want to sell it for 20 pounds. Alright, delivery to Amazon is 0. And the cost of product, how much did we pay for acquiring the product? $9.99. So let's calculate it, and we're going to see how much profit you're going to make per unit. Per unit, we're going to make a net profit of $5.29. Alright, so type in 21 units. This is how much we're going to make in total for the entire stock. 111 pounds overall after all fees and taxes and all that stuff. Alright, this is not a great deal, and this is not a bad deal either. But anyway, we're going to take whatever we can and flip it on Amazon because we don't have time to waste. We're going to take anything we have as long as it's hot, alright? It's got to be fucking hot. So as long as it's hot, we're going to sell it. Alright, I think this is it. Alright, in the next video, I will show you how to ship off your products to Amazon. And until then, god damn it, please stop fucking around. Subscribe to my damn channel, will you? Alright, get out of here.